What's up, guys?
Hey.
Woohoo! What's today?
Selling day.
Closing day.
Oh, closing day. Yes.
We finally made it.
Yes.
Introduce yourself to the camera. What's your name?
I'm Jermaine Miller.
I'm Jermaine Miller as well.
Wow. Father and son, or it could be brothers. So, how did you guys get to know me, Carolynn Castillo?
I received a phone call from you.
You received a phone call. Okay.
Yes.
So your family was going through the probate process,
Yes.
and you filed with the probate attorney, and then Carolynn Castillo gave you a call.
Yes.
Do you recall what happened on that phone conversation, what you guys spoke about?
I want to say we spoke about the two different options as far as how to potentially sell a home, either a cash offer or a fair market value selling of the home.
Okay.
Basically using you to do either one. that we wanted to do.
Perfect. And so we wanted to get to you to find out exactly what the property value was.
Yes.
and what that would look like once you guys actually sold the property. So Jermaine Jr., you met with me at the house and gave me the property tour.
Right.
When we sat down at the table, what did we go over with you? What did we explain to you?
Well, basically what you explained was that you could offer us to, you offered us to sell the house on the market, and you'd offer to fix it up and help us stage it, and then you offered to give us a cash offer too. Yeah.
Right. Okay, awesome. So we were willing to work with you in both capacities. If you decided that you wanted to put it on the market, sell it for as much money as possible, our company was willing to do whatever needed to be done to help you in that capacity, correct?
Right.
And then also, if you wanted to sell it cash, you could get the highest cash offer, no closing costs, no commissions, make it super easy for you, correct?
Right.
Okay.
Yes.
So you guys chose your choice, and
Yes.
we started doing business together. So working with Carolynn Castillo, how was their experience?
It was a very pleasant experience. Very good. Yeah. She helped us and guided us through the whole process. Very smooth.
Good. Was I always available to pick up your calls?
Yes.
Always.
Yes.
How many phone calls do you think we had?
Ooh, quite a few. Yeah, we got a few.
Quite a few phone
Quite
calls.
a few, yeah.
Yeah. The nice thing about realtors, we don't bill you by the hour.
Yeah, thank you. I'd be broke.
Yes. So in this transaction, there were some things that came up with the probate and the legal process, and going through the legalities of the probate. When the waters got tough and everything kind of got a little hectic, do you think that we worked with you professionally and handled everything the way that it should have been done?
Absolutely.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So at any point were you concerned about the transaction when you were working with us?
No.
Good. Okay, excellent. So I know you guys don't live in Florida and you're about to move from Florida, but who is your favorite realtor on the planet?
Carolynn Castillo.
Woo!